That's cool.
Kick panel?
Oh,
this is for the front.
Yeah, it's for the front. Good job on the placement of that.
What? What is that?
That was the freaking.
You knocked it over?
You had it sitting up. This is a shitty spot.
You know what? If it would have broke, you blamed it on me. I'm like, what?
I still am blaming it on
You can't
you.
blame it on me. Did it break?
Not that I'm aware of. Yeah, me too. Why we bought that setup.
Because of that adapter?
Yeah.
Ooh, do you have any of these?
Yeah, I didn't. Isaac did.
I just buy you in the drill.
It's not the drill that broke.
Well, we can't stick anything else in that pocket.
Yeah, you can.
She's spinning anything.
No. No, she.
Knock a bunch of rust off.
This is the side that's all rusty, so yeah, that doesn't surprise me. Oh, wow. That's unsettling.
Got a nut? Or did it strip?
Crap.
Barely look at it.
It won't actually get on it.
Small?
Problem is I can't.
Get in the rail.
Can you get me a small extension? Hopefully.
Yes, no, hopefully we don't. See if we had to break our ball.
Get wrecked, nerd! I mean, look at that weird fucking thing.
Yeah, that's what she said.
Did she say that? Because you might want to consult a doctor. And you know how we put all those other ones in easy spots to get to? Let's put this one in a really shitty spot. Just cuz. This last one. All the other ones were in pretty decent spots to get to.
Yeah.
This last one? Fuck that guy. Uh-oh. Yo, what is that? That circle thing on the fucking... On the... That's terrible. Yeah, SRS controller.
I know where it's set off. Black. Suburban bucket seats. Oh, yeah, this one didn't have that.
Oh, so your life did not matter in this seat.
They had a key for it.
Huh?
They had a key for it.
Key for what?
For the passenger.
Yeah. That's just to make you think you're alive. Okay. God, there is crap everywhere. Yeah, it's right here. Hold on. will it come down from behind the dash without.
I think so.
That, whatever that is. What is it?
It looks like a panel. Don't you break, fucker. Okay, cool.
All right, and that's part of the dash that's got to get unbolted. See it?
Alright. What you got over there?
I got a 10 and a 15.
15.
Maybe.
That'd be nice if I had
I really wish you would have sold me a better truck.
Sure, I did. And I actually got it cheap.
It don't mean I didn't want a better truck. That has nothing to do.
Definitely got it for cheap.
That doesn't have anything to do with the me.
I took a hell of an L on this bad boy.
Listen,
Damn sure.
you got scared and jumped out of it for a fucking bad decision that I tried to talk you out of.
What are you talking about?
That bike that's a total loss that you threw away $1,000 on.
Sir, it's not a total loss.
What was good on it?
That's what we were looking.
The best thing you got out of that was the $30 in that dude's wallet.
Absolutely right.
I told you not to, but you never listen to me.
Listen, sir, I do listen to you. I didn't buy a Ford.
I will give you that. But it took a lot to get you not to. You really tried hard.
Yeah, you're right. I did try hard. That was a nice truck.
It was not.
It was a great truck.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
All right, you got a keeper clip right there. Just pull up on the floor, it'll pull off. Yeah, you got it. There you go. All right, so now you got to feed that through that hole there. Yeah. So you got to kind of pull that down.
You got a razor?
I mean, yeah, you can get it if you want to cut it. Yeah, there's a lot of good features to all of this stuff. There's just a lot of not good parts too. You good?
Yeah, please.
All right, so now you do this. Pull up on the back.
And then we got a folder over.
Yep.
Wow, nice and clean on this side.
All right, now.
Glory. Glory.
I don't know what that was, but it didn't sound good. Oh,
It's a goddamn shame we gotta cut this nice ass floor.
I know.
Actually, you know what? Hey,
What?
why don't we just cut the side and then raise it up?
It's exactly what we're gonna do.
Okay, this makes-
Can you?
What do we hook that?
I don't know. I was kind of hoping you figured that out.
Oh, it's a keeper for this. Alright. Probably caught something.
Yeah, this floor pan is nice.
Is it bad? Rust? Well, it looks like they left the windows down over here.
Oh.
Heavy surface.
Yeah, no, it'll clean up. We'll fix it while we're in there. Overall, she's really good. Ooh, look,
What you want?
drill bit.
Oh, great.
All right, we need to pull the dash because we got to get that kick out. Because everywhere we got to play with is way up in there.
So we need to pull it dash.
Yeah, well, I mean, we were gonna have to anyway. You start at the top, then you're there. Or do you start at the bottom? Now we're here. Isn't that how that went?
Are we pulling this?
What are you talking about?
Pulling this right now?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my
Why
god.
would you do that?
Yo, look at all these registrations.
Man, it's been passed around a couple of years.
Full of the work truck. So.
Oh, well, didn't I give you the whole time?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I don't know why, because you got us a shell.
Can we pull this with the fucking steering column in?
I don't fucking know.
We pulled steering column before.
It's got to come too, yeah. But I mean, I don't know what goes first here. Listen, I'm winging this. I don't know if you noticed.
Not good. It doesn't matter. Break it off.
Yeah,
Break it
pull out on this. Pull it.
Pull out
Actually, whoa.
on the bottom.
No.
Yeah, it's a little suction clip.
Yeah, but there's.
Yeah, I see the little mini ones down at the bottom.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, got those guys.
Yeah, we're gonna need something for that.
Oh, sweet on these models.
Yeah, but seriously though. Is there one across the bottom?
Yeah, it goes on.
Yeah, I don't have one across the bottom over here. What the hell? In the back there? Oh, fucker! I don't know. But it hurt.
Everything.
Listen, I literally was just trying to pull that out, and it went flying out and hit me in the finger. What size is it?
I don't know.
It says on there.
It says it on there. Yeah, but it's not noticeable. It need to be on the handle.
It was on the handle.
What?
Right here where it's all scraped away.
Like I said.
Oh, that's
Fucking terrible. Look at these, Harbor Freight.
No, these are, yeah, probably.
I thought about to say military issue.
I don't know where they came from.
I love how people say everybody thinks military grades are impressive except for the veterans.
Dykes. I know a thing or two. Because I've seen a thing or two.
Oh, okay, farmers. What that is.
Listen, it's true.
I'm pretty sure this doesn't go to my model truck.
You'd be surprised. Chevy is notorious for fucking rinse and reuse.
Shit, look at the Cadillac.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Which, it's a great thing for guys in our situation right now.
Yeah.
Think of the money we've saved
On parts.
on parts for all of these things. All right, good.
Check some metal with that.
Yeah, I know they would.
This is a good show. That Yukon though was pretty sick.
All right. Now you just gotta unplug all that.
You can use that?
I don't know, I'm just saying unplug it to... Dude, I'm gonna put as much of this that's not broken up for sale.
That's a lot of
You know what I'm naming this truck? Petty Cash. I bought the motor out of Petty Cash that I had laying around from shit we'd sold. I bought the truck from you out of Petty Cash, what I had laying around. Transmission, everything I've gotten for this truck, I've gotten on Petty Cash truck.
Petty Cash sounds like you work for a
I
agency.
maybe I do. What? What are you even doing here?
I don't know. This is a weird clip.
Oh my god.
See what? The right tool.
Why?
I'm using the right tool now.
Bro. You're the electrician!
Hey, we don't have super tools like that. You know what those are? Fun. No, we don't. Oh shit, I'm dead.
Little thing I like to call karma.
Look, this shit's all broke. Nobody's buying that.
It's not broke, it's just out of the thing.